This video would show you how to get a 5k free prop firm account, and you are getting this prop firm account absolutely for free without depositing a single dime of your own, and you'll be able to trade with this account, satisfy the requirement, and be able to make withdrawal. On this channel, you'll be finding a lot of no deposit bonuses, free funded account, and free funded challenge account, as I'll be bringing it to you all regularly. And don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and like this video so I can be encouraged to be bringing this kind of account to you all regularly, right? So let's get started on the process required to get this account. And I want you all to know that the link required to get this bonus, including the particular coupon that you'll be using, will be made available in the description of this video, right, and the pinned comment, so you can make use of them. And once you come to the registration interface showing on my screen, you'll be filling in your first name, the country where you are residing, your surname, your phone number, your street address. You'll be filling all these details respectively. And once you sign up successfully, you'll be signing into this account. And once you come to this account, you could see the particular section showing the start challenge, right, the blue start challenge. You'll be tapping on that start challenge, and to have a more wider screen so you can navigate this interface easily, you can change your phone to the desktop site. And once you change it to the desktop site and you tap on that blue new challenge, you'll be brought to this section where you'll be told to pay a $25, and I want you all to know that you will be getting it for free, and I'll be showing you the kind of coupon code that you'll be using. This coupon code changes, and I would want you to make use of this information immediately you see this video, right? As you could see what I'm having on the screen, and once you tap on complete purchases, the particular cycled coupon code is what you will be inputting, and this coupon code changes, and the latest coupon code will be updated each time a new one is available in the description and in the pinned comment. I'll make sure I'm updating it to the current and latest one, and you could see the current coupon code available on my screen, right, with the bold written words, right? These are the current coupon code, and once you use it and then you apply successfully, you'll be getting a 100% discount, and you could see purchase completed, right? And once you do it this way, you accept the terms and conditions on it, you'll be getting this amazing 5k account, which is quite very amazing from a free account, right? And on my challenges section here, you'll be finding the section where you'll be downloading the trade locker, of which you are going to be trading this amazing 5k account with. You won't be trading it using your MT4 account or your MT5. You'll be trading it using trade locker app, and if you're an iPhone user, you can get it from your iOS, your Apple Play Store rather, right, the Apple Store. You can get it from it. And for Android users, you can just head straight to the Play Store to download it. And before we move on, I'll be talking about the terms and conditions, the brief terms and conditions that actually comes with these two phase 5k free prop firm accounts, so you better understand and have the full details regarding this account at your hand, right, so you can know what you're going to be getting and what you're going to be expecting from this kind of account, right? So I want you to pay close attention to this particular aspect because I'm making it very short. And you could see, firstly, what you have to do is the minimum and maximum target is what I'm having on my screen currently. And for the minimum target, the minimum trading days on this account is 0 days. That shows that you need to satisfy a 5-day duration of trading with this account rather, right? You need to trade on this account for about 5 days. You don't necessarily need to trade with this account following a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday format. Just make sure you satisfy a trading day of 5 days, and your maximum loss on this account is 4%, and the profit target is simply 8%, and the lot size consistency is 2, right? And you could see the minimum trading days on this account is also included on the screen, which I've already mentioned, and the maximum daily loss of this account, the maximum daily loss of this account is about 4%, and the average take profit and all details of this account have been explained. And once you do all this respectively and you use the respective Play Store section to download the app, you'll be brought to this particular interface where you'll be asked to sign in into this account. And immediately you get this account, I want you all to know that you will be shown a unique password, a server details, and your personal unique password, which I've already stated, and you'll be inputting these details on this section shown on the screen. You won't be using your own personal email to log in into this trade locker account. You'll be provided with an email, a password, and the server details, and once you input it respectively on this trade locker, you will be signed into Trade Locker successfully with your 5k account, and majorly you'll be able to trade the XAUUSD with this 5k account, right? You'll be able to trade the XAUUSD majorly, right? And if you trade it the right way, you'll be able to make something huge from this free account. Coming from a free account, I would want you to take this account serious. It can actually upscale your trading journey. As you could see on my screen, this is a 5k account which I have been able to get, and a lot of you all will be able to get it if you pay attention to this video. Don't forget to share this video to others, like, subscribe, and I wish you all a blessed day.